Hello, friends, and happy autumn! It is actually the autumn equinox on the day that I am filming. So at this point, do not let anybody tell you that it is too early for your pumpkin spice lattes, your fall decorations, your apple cinnamon candles. If it ever was too early, which I don't think that I even believe in, then it no longer is, because it is officially autumn. It's fall, y'all. And fall is just a state of mind anyway. For me here in Georgia, I think it's going to be 90 degrees today, hence the sleeveless linen. I could not bring myself to put on a sweater to even pretend that it is cool outside. So for us, fall is just a state of mind anyway. It's never really autumn weather until super close to Halloween anyway. So if I waited around for it to feel like fall to celebrate fall, I would never get to experience it. So it's fall when you decide that it's fall, but it is officially, according to the rotation of the sun and the earth and the stars, it is officially fall. So I am actually home by myself today, which never happens. I don't think I've had a day alone in at least 6 months. So my husband is out with a friend, and our daughter is at her grandparents' house this weekend. So I thought that I would take the opportunity to, when I have the house to myself, to just do a little bit of decorating for Halloween. And it is no longer too early for Halloween decorations. So I'm going to be decorating my foyer for Halloween. It's probably the lightest, brightest area of my home, which means it's going to be a challenge to turn it into sort of our spooky Halloween corner. I never really do super scary Halloween. I'm more about the kind of Disney children's version of Halloween, but I want to do sort of like a little moody, spooky corner. My cat's here. I don't know if you can see him, but he's wanting to get into the video. So I'm gonna do a little spooky, moody corner in the front of our house when you first walk in the front door. That's gonna be my Halloween area. And then today I want to bake an apple pie. I bake at least one apple pie every year around this time. It's kind of a traditional food around the autumn equinox to cook with apples. I eat an apple a day pretty much every day anyway. It's probably my favorite food, but it is the time of year when we bake with apples and start making kind of our cozy autumn and, dare I say, Christmas holiday foods. So it might be a little bit ambitious to get to the apple pie today. I'm not sure I'll have time because we have our built-in babysitters this weekend. My husband and I are going out with friends tonight. So I may not get to the apple pie today. If I don't today, I'll get to it tomorrow, but definitely going to be decorating the foyer for Halloween. And yeah, so I am gonna go show y'all the area that I'm working with. It's a little bit ambitious to turn my almost completely kind of bright white area into a moody Halloween foyer. But I'm gonna go show you what we're working with and then kind of go over my plan for that area, and then we'll get started. Speaking of pumpkin spice, I made my own homemade pumpkin spice creamer and latte this morning. Definitely a lot more pumpkin-y than the store-bought creamer, I guess because it has actual pumpkin puree in it, but I think I might be a convert. It was really, really easy, and I'm not kind of concerned about what might be in it. I know a lot of us have concerns about, the flavored creamers and all that kind of stuff with, what you might actually be consuming. This, I know exactly what's in it, and it's pretty good. I think I'm a convert. Hopefully it stores in the fridge for at least a few days at a time, and I'll try to link the recipe for that in the description below. I found it on Instagram, so I will try to either link the creator or see if I can link the recipe for you all, because it's pretty delicious. And I found this cute little pumpkin mug on Amazon. So I'm left-handed, so I think that you're meant to see the little ghostie with the pumpkin pie on the outside, but I have to turn it this way. So yeah, it's pretty delicious. Ooh, I've got my Halloween kitty here. So my Halloween kitty and I are gonna go get started on our Halloween decorations, and if that sounds like something that y'all are interested in, please stick around and we'll go get started. Okay, you probably see now why I say that this is going to be a challenge to get this area to be my spooky Halloween area. It is super bright and light and airy, and so we are going to basically just cover everything in black cloth is my plan to try to get this area to look a little bit more dark and moody. Okay, y'all, this is pretty much everything that I've got for this area to decorate for Halloween. So mainly I'm just going to be covering everything in some black, essentially black cheesecloth, and then putting out the village. Most of this is from Target, or pretty much almost all of it. Some is from this current year, like these two from Hearth and Home, the bigger part of the Halloween village. But then these little ones, which were very inexpensive, are from last year, but I'm sure that they still have something similar at Target for this year. I think they make these pretty much every fall season. And I don't know why I'm feeling a little low energy today with this. I guess because I had kind of a tough work week, but this is feeling sort of ambitious for some weird reason today. This isn't like I'm trying to decorate an entire house for Halloween, just doing one little area, but I am going to try to do these kind of black spooky candles, or more like not super spooky, but black candles, like a Hogwarts enchanted ceiling. In, like, you know, if you've seen Harry Potter, the Great Hall, the candles that kind of drop down from the ceiling, that's what I'm going for here. So gonna try to get these stuck to the ceiling, and they actually turn on with a wand, so that's going to be really fun. And I know my daughter's going to have a really good time with that. So yeah, I'm super glad that y'all are doing this with me, because otherwise I'm feeling a little low energy and I don't think that I would get this done today. So, but I've got my kitties, and I'm going to turn on some Harry Potter on in the background to try to motivate me. Definitely going to need a ladder, a step ladder, to try to get up here and cover my irises, my iris painting with some black cheesecloth, because otherwise this area just doesn't really, it doesn't say spooky. There's no way to really turn this into a moody Halloween area without covering the pictures. And even I'm going to try to cover, I've got like a blue and white ceramic umbrella stand, so there's just really no way to do it other than to cover it in cheesecloth. So that's what I'm going to do first, and I think it's just going to require some tape and a step ladder. So I'm going to get started on that first, put my Harry Potter on, and we're going to do it. Okay, I think I was right about this project being a little bit ambitious to finish in one afternoon. So I am going to pick this up again tomorrow and finish up then. And I also have a cute little Halloween surprise for my daughter for when she gets home from her grandparents' house. So we're just going to pick this up tomorrow morning. Okay, y'all, today is Sunday and I'm feeling so much more motivated to do Halloween stuff today. Sometimes it's just not your day, and that is totally okay. If you aren't enjoying what you're doing to celebrate the season, the entire point of it is to have fun and to enjoy it. So if it's just not your day, I think it's okay to put it to the side and just wait for a day when you're feeling more motivated. So behind me is essentially a cardboard box, and we get these from Amazon. We did a Christmas themed one last year, and it ends up being sort of our clubhouse for the year. And of course the cats enjoy it. They probably enjoy it as much as anybody. And you can draw color on it. We end up taping my daughter Cece's art from school to it all season. And it's sort of just our clubhouse / art project that stays up for a couple of months. And I'm sure we'll do a Christmas themed one too. I always like to put stuff inside, like this little pretend fireplace. This is from Dollar Tree. If you have a Dollar Tree in your area that has the $5 items, that's what this is. I pretty much cleaned out our Dollar Tree last year and put these all around my office and my home. They're so much fun. They're just battery operated and they don't heat up or anything. It's just light. So yeah, I'm feeling about 100 times more motivated today to finish my Halloween decorations. So thank you so much for sticking around with me.